Oh, oh, big one. Big mark. Oh, chased it so hard. Oh my God. What is that?
It's gotta be a laser. Sea bubbles. Oh, I saw a fish. Look good.
Sea bubble?
Oh, dude, it's a big one. It's a pretty big fish. Chris,
Nice.
that's a great one for this lake.
Yeah, dude, that's got a fat freaking head.
That's such a good fish for this lake. Dude, are you kidding me? Dude, are you serious?
That's, yeah, bro.
Are you serious, bro? What? What?
Dude. Oh my God. What the hell? In seven feet of water. Hey,
Dude,
God.
any one of these marks could be that.
Got one. This is the small he has after today. Got him. Oh yeah. My new PB, 3 pound, 7 ounce. See ya. Thank you for the fight.
Look at that bull red bending action.
There we go. Nice, baby. Nice, baby. Yeah. Woo.
Yes. Yes. Is that a good one?
Yeah, it's a nice brook.
Oh, that might be your master angler brookie. Oh, double up. Double up. Double up. Oh, I got another liquor.
You?
Yeah. Yes. Dude, that one's pretty decent. That one actually, this one might be a splake. I don't know. No, that's a liquor.
The head on this guy.
Yeah, buddy. This one's going into my keeper pile. Oh, oh, there's your jaw jacker.
Doesn't look like there's anything on it though.
No, he got off for sure. Come on, just take it. Get him?
Yep.
Yeah, buddy. Nice. Oh, goodness. Come on, just take it. I got 3. Got him.
Got him.
Is that a splake or is that a lake? Or no, that's a brookie. Another double up. Dropping back down and instantly just getting marks. All right, so GoPro's dead right now. Steven is smoking some on his jaw jacker. Just missed one myself. I set up the camera just like this for a little bit as the GoPro charges. So beautiful.
So beautiful.
All right, guys, so we missed probably at least 8 fish off camera, just getting smoked on the jaw jackers. I've been absolutely just pounding them now.
Literally two back and forth.
Yeah.
Go get your jaw jacker, hit one, get it set, run back.
All right, guys, some absolutely stunning brook trout out here. Insane. Got that one on the tube jig. The jaw jacker went off, so I almost had a solo double over here. He's on there. Yep. Another second later. Oh my God, so pretty. Dude. It's probably like my 15th brook trout. We are the only ones that made the hike, so we get rewarded today. Dude, that's so sick. It's about 30 seconds later, guys, and another just absolutely gorgeous brook trout. Doesn't get much prettier than that.
Nope.
Honestly. Back down there. Oh, he's coming up. He's gonna smoke it. He's got it. I knew it. Seen him come up. Oh, another pretty one. Jeez.
Oh, I missed it.
Dude, the prettiest trout in the world right there. Brook trout. And he swam off with my red tube. Forgot to get it back from him. You son of a... Alright, I should have turned off the camera because he just smoked one too. He's using a lure, no bait whatsoever. And we've probably caught close to 20 brook trout a piece, and then probably another 10 or so lake trout. Right, it does. Yeah, you have no clue what you're gonna catch either. Oh, I got one on me, all over me. He's gonna hit it. Got him. Oh my God.
Dude. So pretty, dude.
Some of the prettiest brook trout I've ever seen in my life. Kadonk.
Right there.
Already? Jawjacker just got rearranged and Steven hooked up within 20 seconds. Little beautiful little brookie. One of the smallest ones of the day, but still awesome. I think he's still on it. I think yeah, he's still on it. Pretty sure. He was on there for a second. Yep. Got him. Whoops. Jawjacker just went up again and he's on. Woo! Oh, Laker. Oh, damn. Long, skinny.
Looks like a twins Laker.
Dude, it does look like a twin Laker. Is it?
Yep.
Haha, dang. Oh my God.
That thing is gorgeous.
Dude. Holy cow. Just black and orange. Oh my God. Oh, he's all over it. Got him. Came up here for lake trout and we stayed for the brookies. Dude, insane brookie. Most insane colors ever. Super interested. Oh, he just hit it again. It's gotta be just a little guy. Oh, I got him. Yeah, a little Laker. A little Laker, but he choked it. All right, Steven has hooked into a good one. Oh, wow. Yeah, another like 14-inch brookie. Pretty close to that master angler, but we haven't hit it quite yet. Oh, there's my Jawjacker. Absolutely. Did you let go? Nope, he's still on there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. One last look at her. All right, second smallest one over there. That was pretty cool though. They're just popping off on both rods. This is epic. Walking back and he just hooks another one. This is insane. I didn't know there was brook trout like this in here. It's just insane.
Oh, that one's going off.
Oh, that one's going off again. Get it. Yeah! Oh my God, dude. What the heck? Oh my God, he's on fire right now. 14 and a half. Oh, I just missed him. There's two on screen. Oh, he hit it again. Yep. Got him. Oh, that feels good. That feels good, Laker. Come on. There we go. Nice. Another Laker for the pile. I think we only need one more. Yep. Another one kind of like yours. Dude! What the? This is the most insane day of fishing ever. Ever, bro. I wonder if we could hit 100 fish. We got 2.5 hours, bro. Let go. There it goes. Quick release. Oh my God! I had no clue there was this many brook trout in here. Last time we just didn't fish for them. Oh, it's gonna intercept. He's gonna intercept. He's gonna intercept. Got him. Double up. Double up. Oh, another good fish, bro. Another good fish.
Seriously? Oh my god, Chris. Save some of the big ones for me, bro.
Unless I'm stuck on something,
Oh,
this
you're
is a
stuck on
big
the ice,
fish.
dog.
Am I?
Yeah.
With the lure?
Yeah, here.
Oh, really? I'm so sad right now. Getting windy. Oh, I got him. Got him. Oh, I lost him again. This has been absolutely the most insane day of ice fishing I've ever experienced. I thought last year was epic, but this is just crazy.
I'm gonna try to show you this. My jaw jack is about to go off. See him? He's on it.
Oh yeah, he's coming up on him now. Bam! Oh, got him, got him, got him. Oh my god. Yeah! Popping them left and right on the jaw jackers. That's an average, about 12-inch brook trout. Alright, this is like 10 seconds later, guys. One after another. Dude, those Lakers are in thick right here. Crazy. Nice fish on me. Oh, is that me? Got one on this one. Yeah. I got one on this one. See if I could double up. Oh, man. Oh, coming up, coming up, coming up. Oh. Got him. Got him. Double up on the dinks. Dude, literally got eggs in my pockets. Got him. Got him, got him, got him, got him. Yep. So beautiful. Got him, got him, got him, got him. Laker. Yep. Got him, got him, got him. Little guy, little brookie. Dude. Oh, another one. Oh my god, dude. There's so many at the hole. Is your hook sharp?
Oh, she's bent a little bit out.
Is it bent out? Yeah. Oh, I'm on. Little gal. Perfect hook sets. Prettiest brook trout in the world. Oh. Doubled up again. I could take a hook to the dick right now and it'd still be a great day. Got him. Quickly approaching 2:30 in the afternoon. Time to go, and we've caught well over 100. Another ridiculously gorgeous brook trout. All right, guys, couldn't ask for a better day. Caught between 100 125 fish easily. We're gonna go make this exhausting hike back down the mountain. Catch you on the bottom. All right, guys, we made it back to the car. Took 50 minutes to get back, hour 45 minutes to get up. Fished all day. I don't think we went longer than 15 minutes without a bite. It was completely epic.
After that 15 minutes, I don't think we went longer than 5.
Yeah, seriously, we probably caught about 125 trout. All right, guys, until next time, hope you enjoyed. Peace.